Hello everyone, and today we're making a vegetarian version of South Africa's popular dish bobotie. This vegetarian version is made with lentils and butternut squash. Start by heating up oil in a pot or pan. Once hot, you want to add in your onions and fry them until translucent and fragrant. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe as well as click on the notification button. You then want to add in some tomato paste and chili paste or chili sauce, brown sugar and spices. As always, I've linked to the recipe on the description box. Next, add some apple cider vinegar and give everything a good mix. You then want to add your boiled lentils. They should be cooked but not mushy at all. You want them to have a slight bite. Stir in some apricot chutney, bay leaves for some aroma, and 2 slices of bread soaked in milk or water. All bread is perfect for this. Add in a can of tomatoes. Fresh tomatoes are okay to use. Then combine. You can add a few tablespoons of water if it feels too dry. Next, add in some boiled butternut squash and combine again. You then want to cover the pot and allow this to simmer until much of the liquid has been absorbed. Next, make the custard. Beat 4 eggs in a bowl. I like to use medium to large eggs for this. You can also use vegan egg alternatives if you prefer. To the bowl, add in a few tablespoons of milk. Dairy-free alternatives such as almond milk are okay. Season this with salt and pepper and whisk to combine. Transfer the cooked lentils and butternut to a casserole dish or a baking tray. Once you're done, you just want to top this with the egg mixture or custard like this. Bake in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes or until it's properly set. Serve this vegetarian lentil bobotie with yellow rice, chutneys, sliced bananas, pickle, or your preferred sides.